Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can post a spotlight on Snapchat. So you can start by opening your Snapchat apps and then here click on the spotlight button. Then to start posting a spotlight, you can just click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then here click on create to make a new snap, and then you can just record or take a photo in here. But before that, you can also add here lens. You can add a filter or a fax in here, and after that you can just click on this button to start recording a video, for example, and then let go to stop. You can preview the result first, and here if you want to add a caption, you can tap on the spotlight, and I'm going to just write hello. And after that, here you can also add it like adjusting the volume. If you want to mute, just click on this. You can also add another music in here, and then here you can add tags, stickers, or crop it. And after that, you can just click on send to, and click on spotlight in here, then click on this blue button. So now this it will be posting. You can just wait until it's done. You can see at the top left corner the progress, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.